Hey, what's going on? This is Tony Smith from EXP Realty here, coming at you in Germantown. We're about to preview new construction property here, and this property is 4-bed, 2-bath, 2,600 interior square feet. And stick around to the end. I'll tell you what the price is. As you can see, we came in, picket fence. You have the front yard, also side yard, and the side yard actually leads you to a detached 2-car garage. Should have a little backyard as well, so it's great for entertaining. All right, let's go around. So you would come in on this street over here. All right. A little windy out here today. So this is definitely great. If you like to entertain, you'll love this. Like I said, this is a 4-bed, 2-bath home, 2,600 interior square feet. Let's see what it looks like inside. New construction. Now, mind you that we're looking at the furniture in here that is staged. So the furniture does not come with the property. But as you come in, to your left, you have your living area. Right here, the steps to the second floor. Nice straight open floor plan so you can see all the way to the back. Waterfall countertop island. A lot of cabinet space. Microwave. All right, stainless steel appliances. The blue cabinets at the bottom, the white up top. All right. Have the pendants over top of the island. Let's go downstairs in the basement. Nice open space down here in the basement for you to entertain or make this an office space. Your choice. It's nice and open. Nice high ceilings as well. LVP flooring throughout the whole property. This is the second floor. It's a back bedroom, sliding closet doors. Plenty of natural light. On the second floor, you even have your laundry room. So don't worry, you have to go down to the basement. Have your hallway bath right here. With the subway tile. Deep tub with the shower heads, dual shower heads. Tile floor. Second bedroom. Walk-in closet. Nice. Let's go up to the third floor. As soon as you get up here as soon as you turn, got your wine cooler, your sink, more cabinets, storage for your wine bottles. This is the master. A lot of natural light with the windows. Come right in the walk-in closet. Then go right into this beautiful, large bathroom. You got the toilet separated. You have the large shower head right there. Then up at the top, rainforest. Then the regular shower head. Definitely a lot of space. Spacious bathroom. You have dual vanities with the dual mirrors. All right. One more surprise. Now, remember I told you this is a 4-bed, 2-bath home, 2,600 interior square feet, new construction, and it has a deck. Now, this is coming in at $645,000. Yep. Look at the view. Nice large deck for entertaining purposes, or if you just want to relax and chill. And my name is Tony Smith with eXp Realty. If you don't follow me, subscribe and like my channel. All right, stay tuned. There's more to come. Talk to you soon. You can reach out to me, 267-495-6698. Talk soon.